Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at these Pokemon cards. These are fake Pokemon cards. I normally would not recommend buying these because it just is bad for the hobby itself. And some people believe they're real and all that. So just so you know, they are not real. But I do like to buy these for like some DIY projects where you don't want to destroy the real cards. And then you pick up these because in general they don't look too bad. And I have a feeling you can do quite some nice projects with them, like you frame them up, cut them up, and do all these fancy stuff to them. Um, yeah, and otherwise, I think they're alright. They're all V and V maxes, um, so you know that. And yeah, I think we can call this a day, you guys. So until the next time, I'm out. Bye bye.